This is Miles with Voltage Coffee Supply, and I'm here at Spaziale in Bologna, Italy. And today we're going to actually talk about the S21, which is a model that's been around for some time, but really it hasn't really gotten, I think, its due in the US, especially since it's just a solid workhorse. If you want a machine that's going to be able to take care of what you need it to do every day, be consistent, be reliable, and also be able to not have to maybe take so much maintenance and care as maybe a more sophisticated unit, this is perfect for you. So a couple things we'll go over just really briefly. This is a single boiler heat exchange unit. So what that really means for a cafe, restaurant, what have you, is that it has a recirculation of the group head. You're gonna have a large boiler that's gonna draw from your steam, your hot water, and then there is a heat exchanger for each group. What it means is that you're really able to produce a lot of espresso because of the inertia of hot water. Once it gets going, it will continue to go. And it'll actually continue to go for as long as you really need it to. One thing you notice here on the panel, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, pretty easy, especially to be able to program, to use. So I'll just go over this very briefly. To program the unit, you start with the second group here on the right, and it's really straightforward. You just hit the manual dispense, hold it down. That light is going to start to blink. There we go. And you can go and you can program your volumetrics for each dosage or each button, and then hold down that manual dispense button again. And now it's copied over to this left-hand group. So again, pretty simple. If you need to make adjustments even throughout the day, not that big of a deal. Most people could be able to do that. So the other portion, or the other thing that I want to mention is this is also very great for operators that maybe, we all have the best intentions, but maybe sometimes we forget to clean. We aren't as clean as we are able to be. So really, this is a beautiful machine for that, to be able to still work consistently despite that. There are inside the group, which I have shown here. So inside the group here, there is actually 2 baskets. And these baskets, all you have to do at night is just unscrew that, which every unit comes with a key, and you unscrew the basket and take that screw out, and you see there's 2 baskets in here. And basically this basket is to help clean the water path, make sure that no coffee oils or materials go back into that water path, and this is to help with diffusion or dispensing of that water onto your puck. So you take these 2 out of the group there, just right from there, put them in a cup or in a vessel, put some detergent in there, some café and hot water, and leave it overnight. When you get back in the morning, rinse it off, you can put them back on, and you're really pretty much set. So again, a really nice just feature to consider, especially if you have a lot of different skill sets behind the bar, a lot of different people operating that may not be as accustomed to using a traditional espresso machine as you are. This is great, and they can maintain the machine, keep it clean, and be able to be consistent. One last part is this unit is actually able to be set up in a traditional, or in many different ways. So you can set up traditionally with a filtration system plumbed in line to your cold water shutoff, or you can actually set it up right out of a tank. So you can take a 5-gallon tank of filtered water and put your inlet hose there. Put a check valve on the end of that for safety. And if you need some sources on where to find that check valve, you can always reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help. But you can do all that, and the rotary pump on the inside will actually draw that water up and be able to dispense 9 bars of pressure out of that group. So again, a beautiful, solid machine that will, I think, once purchased, once installed, will be able to be used for many, many years to come.